No, man, 2025 was a great year. Beautiful year indeed. Uh, because ngikwazile ukushutha both productions. Amalanga Afana and Smoke and Mirrors. And remember, in different provinces, KZN and Johannesburg. But figure la khona kuba hectic khona kakhulu when Amalanga Afana needs me the most. And then we decided to get into a conclusion whereby I as an actor had to decide and go to production management, Smoking Mirrors, and ask them, oh, please, can you please release me? Ngiye ngale kuMalanga Fan because it's their first season. Lucky enough, abantu engizwanayo nabo no bangidedela ngezandla ezimhlophe, inhliziyo ezimhlophe. Uthi no, go on and shine, young man, because automatically Smoking Mirrors has been canned, which is this year is the last year of Smoking Mirrors 2026. So there was no need for them to keep making production. So I came back to Durban and focused on Amalanga Fan, which is I'm thankful to uNkulunkulu ngomsebenzi omuhle owenzakalile in Johannesburg, especially on Smoking Mirrors, the final chapter, my family. I'm thankful kakhulu. Nakumalanga Afana as well, ngokungithatha serious and ngokubuya ekhaya, sebenzele ekhaya. It was very important for me to come back home and work from home. Fortunately enough, the studio is just 7 minutes away from my place. So you can understand about rent, transport, what, yeah. So, yeah. So nje kusebenzeke kahle kakhulu. And looking at the outcome in both productions, Sipho has done very well. And Dulas, he's been exceptional, I can say. Yeah, so ngiyabonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu khona konke nje. Yeah.
What did you learn from being on Smoke and Mirrors?
Bengisebenza nama-veteran with-Smoke and Mirrors. Abantu experience more than I do. So I learned a lot because it was my first time to have a contract, that longer contract with telenovela or with soap. So I learned a lot as an actor. Yeah, well, especially with technicality of it. It was izinto ongazifundi lezo in books, but you learn that technicality of the industry and to be on set through experience. Uthi camera mayilapha, file ngenze njani camera mayilapha. If I'm playing for this camera, but end up all of those things, you will learn it along the way. Yeah, so ngifunde kakhulu. Yeah.
Lastly, what we can expect from your character Dulas on Amalanga Afana?
Yo, wayisuse inkulumo. Awayisuse inkulumo. Yo. Dulas is something else. Even I myself, I don't believe in him. I don't believe him anyway. Yeah, I must say. Hey, no, Dulas, you. But I'm enjoying him. I'm enjoying the guy. The guy is funny. The guy is damn clever. Trust me, he's damn clever. The guy only thinks for himself. Yeah, so abantu abalindele kukhulu kuyena. Yeah, the worst is coming. That's what I can say. The worst is coming from Dulas. Yeah.